Thank you very much for joining us here in London at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference. First of all, could you just tell us a little bit about DRD Gold and the business model that you follow?
Certainly. We're a South African-based company. We've been around since 1895. We're listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and also in New York on the New York Stock Exchange. Used to be a deep-level underground mine, but we've fully transitioned into surface retreatment. So all of our operations in and around the Johannesburg area, and also the newly acquired Far West operations, a business that we bought from Sibanye-Stillwater. That is all surface-based.
So tell us how that acquisition has transformed the company in terms of where it is now.
I think what it's done is the former footprint that we had and the model that we had was finite. And I think what the market liked was the fact that we're a dividend payer. We've been paying dividends for more than a decade. And that we provided exposure to gold price. But I think there was growing concern that there was limited opportunity for growth. And what this has done now is it's an exceptionally high quality asset within the context of surface reclamation. So it is going to provide, and is in fact providing, better margin for us. And potentially also a growth platform. It's going to be generating some decent cash flows that we think that we may be able to apply towards other projects as well, without compromising our commitment to dividend distribution.
Very good. So in terms of the next 12 months looking forward for investors, obviously growth is an important part of the future of the company, but are there any other particular milestones that you point out or catalysts that
it's important for us to maintain current momentum. The project's been going really well. The existing operations came through the challenges associated with both weather and electricity supply really well. We saw very decent numbers coming out of the last quarter. We paid down debt from about $17 million down to about $1 million, and we still have in excess of $10 million in the bank after having spent close to 15% of our market cap on the new project in capital infrastructure development. So it's been an exceptionally good quarter from a momentum build perspective and just positioning the business going forward. So what we want to do is obviously take that momentum forward, but at the same time also leverage this footprint and see if we can start being a little bit more ambitious with regards to growth, more regional consolidation, looking at opportunities right there, and venturing potentially also into other commodities. Our new shareholders, Sibanye-Stillwater, has a vast platinum footprint, and we think that that would be a decent fit for us as well. So we want to maybe just go and have a look-see and see whether it's something that we should be pursuing.
Very good. And how do you find the model and the traction you're getting with the meetings at One-to-One?
Well, we find it really, really good. I think it's far more focused. You have these one-on-one meetings where they're different. Not everybody wants to hear the same story. So if you talk to an audience, it's difficult to know exactly what it is, what concerns them. Is it the politics? Is it the Eskom situation? Is it the future of gold? And here you get to focus on what it is that particular person is concerned about and what he's what he's interested in. So I find it very helpful.
Very good. Well, thank you very much for your time today. Sounds like a very exciting future for the company.
Thank you.